Everywhere. Jeremy Lutz here with your midday market update for Monday, the 17th of September. And it looks like it's the same old news coming out of Europe, which is weighing heavily on the markets today. Well, I wouldn't say heavily, but on the markets. Major averages have slipped into the red, although selling pressure remains subdued. And it looks like there may be some profit taking going on, which is contributing to modest weakness over Wall Street this morning, with some traders cashing in on the recent strength from the Fed announcement towards the end of last week. A meeting with the European finance ministers in Cyprus over the weekend resulted in a deadlock over how the region plans to combat the debt crisis, with leaders unable to work past their differences on the banking union, the role of the European Central Bank, and the conditions of the bailout request. Nothing new there, but it just seems to keep creeping up. They'll make an announcement, kind of pushes the market up, and they go, oh, well, there's still some trouble there. Also, this week, it looks like corporate earnings are going to weigh in at lower than expected and are going to fall short of expectations in the third quarter, but some analysts believe that they'll stage a fairly dramatic turnaround the rest of the year, and that may be due to the holidays coming up. But with that, let's go to the charts and see what the trade triangles are telling us about today. And we'll start right here with the Dow Jones. Presently trading at 13,560, down 32.53 today, just about 0.24%. Still at a plus 90, so long term we're looking for this market to continue higher. All monthly, weekly, and daily are green. Moving along to NASDAQ, much the same. Monthly, weekly, and daily are green. Plus 90, indicating that long term we're still long this market from our monthly signal here in looks like middle of August. Currently trading at 3,176.19, down about $5.08, down negative 0.15%. As you can see, the markets are down a little bit today. European markets did close down for the day, so are we going to follow suit, or will there be a bit of a bull run in the afternoon session, or magic hour, as I like to call it, after 3 o'clock? The S&P currently trading at 1463.18, still again a plus 90, all green across the board. So we are long term looking for this market to continue higher. Moving on, crude oil. Crude oil actually briefly traded above $100 last week, and it's still maintaining above $99. I believe Adam last week had said that his key level he's looking at is $110 a barrel. If it gets to $110 a barrel, looking forward to go possibly up to the highs of 2008 and 140. Really, any major attacks on any of the shipping industry for oil, here in the U.S. and abroad, could really affect gold and send it off to the races. So, plus 100. We're long all time frames on the oil right now. Moving along to the dollar. Euro dollar, as you can see, it's kind of had a huge run up from our monthly signal. It's kind of flattened out the last 2 days, just over the news coming out of Europe with the concerns on exactly what they're going to do there. Long term, we're still looking to trade this up to $1.35, $1.38 levels. Currently trading at $1.31, plus 90 across the board, again along this market across all time frames. And as you can see, gold. There's definitely some profit taken after this huge jump up at the end of last week. Currently trading 1769. From our long entry signal is 1670.93, plus 90 across the board. I'm still looking for this market to trade somewhere over the 2,000 level sometime this year. But again, we are long all time frames. Copper's continuing its big run up. A little bit of a pullback today, just kind of on the economic concerns, probably due to tied into the corporate earnings as well as Europe. Still plus 100. Monthly, weekly, and daily are green. Currently trading at $3.81. Long down from here at $3.55. Of course, we are long. Moving along to silver. Silver's kind of doing much of what gold is, kind of flattened out the last couple of days. Score of plus 90. Green across the board. Of course, we got our big long sale at the end of August here at 31. Currently trading at 34.416. Still looking for this to hold long positions and head higher. And the CRB index, a little bit of a pullback today, as you probably expect with with what's going on in the market on this Monday. With profit taking, we're at plus 90, still long across the board long term. And then I was going to go over 3 stocks that are making the move today. Apple trading an all-time high range here at as high as 699.54 today. Again, that's an all-time high. I know they had record sales and orders for their iPhone 5 that they announced last week. So look to see if this can break 700 this week. Looks like pretty strong indication as well as a plus 100. Of course, with MarketClub, we've been long from $355.13. Looking pretty nice sitting here at 698.44 currently. Another stock on the move today is Office Depot. You see, we actually got had a big monthly trend reversal at $2.32 on 9/12. Currently made a run up to a high of $2.85 today. It has a slight pullback to $2.66, but we're looking for this to continue its long-term bull run at a plus 100. And Gilead Sciences today, I believe I heard something about their AIDS medication. I really didn't check into it, but we're plus 100, long from 42.98. It's actually up 4.5% today, trading at 64.8250. And of course, I always like to remind our members, and if you're not a member out there, if you're looking for potential trades, to check out our recent trade triangle list, which you can scan throughout any times the market are open. And we'll just kind of pop in here real quick. We'll look for some equities greater than $1 million, monthly trade triangles, and see if we've gotten any today, even though it is a down day. And there's a couple for you to take a look at. Actually, just take a quick look at Jazz here and see Jazz Pharmaceuticals and see had good volume. Let's see what it's telling us here. As you can tell, we got a plus 100. Looks like we got that new monthly today at $50.75. Big run up today. They must have had some big news. It looks like kind of increased the volume. But there you go. An easy way to find potential trades in the market. Stay with us tomorrow. I'll be back at 1 p.m. for your midday update. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to email us at support@iknow.com or on the blog. I'll be on there all day. Look forward to talking to you and every success in the markets.